Maintaining your safety-critical equipment according to manufacturer's guidance gives you the confidence it will perform when it matters most. At Arco Professional Safety Services, we can service and calibrate your equipment, such as personal gas detectors. Either take it to one of our safety centres, post it to us, or book a technician to undertake the work at your site. Personal gas detectors should be serviced and calibrated every 6 months, and sensors replaced when the warranty expires. We will inform you of any parts that need to be replaced prior to our technicians carrying out the work and rectifying any problems found. Our technicians are certified to service and maintain a range of manufacturers' equipment, including Crowcon, MSA, Honeywell, and more. Once serviced or calibrated, each gas detector is tagged with the inspection details. Pass certificates are issued and uploaded to our customer asset tracking system. This system helps customers remain compliant, allowing them to view and manage an audit log of their equipment inspections and recertifications in one place. For more information, contact Arco Professional Safety Services on 0330 390 0822 or visit our website.